Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. Looking across the board after having a massive red day across the board, you guys can see over the last 24 hours, we're starting to see a little bit of green across the board. But again, nothing to be getting too excited about right now in the immediate short term. A lot has been happening within the space. A lot of news and a lot of bearish news that could have a massive impact on the cryptocurrency markets as we move forward in 2023, and that's mainly Binance. But today, guys, we will be covering XRP, looking at what's happening with the price of XRP and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So my XRP family, if we're looking at the price currently sitting at 35.1 cents, down 1.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 0.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. You guys can see the ranking in the cryptocurrency market rank for XRP is still at that 7th spot with a market cap of $17.6 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $761 million. So after, just the past 24 hours, when we saw a majority of the cryptocurrency market see a massive bloodbath across the board, we have seen XRP hold quite well compared to altcoins. Yes, XRP has seen a little bit of a retracement within its price, but as I say that, XRP is holding quite well compared to other altcoins right now, and that is something nice to see. We never saw that settlement news were to come out on December 15th that a lot of people were anticipating. A lot of people were, projecting, speculating that on December 15th, we are going to finally hear an end of this against Ripple and SEC, but that's not the case, and that's exactly what happened. And I think that is also one of the reasons as to why we have seen a little bit of a retracement within the XRP price. But I wanted to share this with you guys before we jump into the charts. You guys can see David Goldstein came out and said this on Twitter. Again, this is pure speculation. Everyone's going to start putting dates left and right. No one knows this until SEC themselves or Ripple themselves work to come out and say, this is when the lawsuit is being dropped. So this is what he has to say, though. We're probably 2 months away from knowing whether or not Ripple wins this case against the SEC, and 2 months. There's a lot of people now projecting that Q1 of next year is when we're going to hear this at the end. And that would be a sweet spot, in my personal opinion, as I shared with you guys in my previous video, because I do believe that's when we're going to start to see the market reversal. But as I say that, now we're sitting at some more problems that we were not expecting. Binance is on the hot seat right now, guys. Binance is being questioned by, the prosecutors, and a lot of things need to be answered in order for the space to move in the right direction and us to really continue the upwards pattern, as I've mentioned, in 2023. And Binance needs to be a little more transparent, in my personal opinion. And hopefully we don't hear any negative news, because if we were to hear some sort of negative news, guys, everything will get invalidated and we could be pushed back about 5 years for the entire crypto space, and I am sticking to that no matter what. As you guys can see, the price of Bitcoin after the this entire mania with Binance that's going on, we have seen the price of BTC take a little bit of a retracement, as you guys can see. But still, obviously we never got back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. That's the safe end of the spectrum, but we're still in an upwards trajectory. But as I say that, we need to hold around these levels. If we don't, then we could be in for more lower prices even this month. But looking at the price of XRP, as mentioned, has been holding quite well compared to other altcoins. You guys can see we are being supported by this level of resistance that has been playing as a level of resistance that goes all the way back to late 2018, 2019 support levels. But right now, the price, if I bring up the measuring tool for you guys, just on December 15th, we were sitting at around the 40 cents mark, and we have retraced about 12%. Quite healthy dip. We are being supported by this level of support, as I've mentioned. But if we lose this level of support, guys, you guys can see the support line. Let me bring it out for you guys. You guys can see we were supported by here, a little bit of here, a little bit of here. If we lose this support line, guys, especially around that 34.4 cents mark, we could be in for some retest yearly lows that we have not seen since probably, let's look at the yearly lows for you guys. So the yearly low was on June 18th at that 28 cents mark. And guys, if we lose these level of support around that basically 32 cents mark, we could be in for more downwards momentum. Right now, we are holding around that 35 cents level of support, which was a resistance for us around the June, July prices. But right now, if we lose that, we could be in for a little bit more bloodbath across the board. And depending on how Bitcoin reacts as well, you guys know Bitcoin is a leading indicator, and the overall BTC dominance index is increasing. More money is flowing into Bitcoin right now rather than altcoins. So that could definitely have an impact on XRP as well. And right now, if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that move is about 18% away from those levels, and that's definitely on the table right now considering what's happening with the price of Bitcoin. And we need to monitor the overall situation with Binance very closely, because the worst case scenario I've mentioned in my other video is that if Binance was insolvent, which a lot of people don't think is going to be the case, but if they are, things are not going to look good, and we will see the biggest crypto crash ever. And obviously that's not what we want to see, but guys, that is something that's being investigated on, and hopefully we do hear some positive news out of that, and I will keep you guys updated. Do not forget to keep your bell icons on. But overall, XRP, guys, I do believe 2023 overall, if everything goes smoothly, we are going to hear a settlement finally in 2023, and that's when things are going to start looking good, and hopefully it's in the favor of XRP. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. What are you guys doing right now? What's your thoughts on the overall market sentiment, where you could see the price of XRP go next year? Let me know down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.